Thought I'd just share how I've changed one of my modules and the assessments within it to use Wintec Mahara. So a previous module I had 4 submission links, and each of these was for a student to submit a file, like a Word document, about a discussion that we'd had on a particular topic. And the second assessment was for them to submit a report. Now, in the new module, what I'm getting them to do is copy a template. So I'll open that up. So I've given them the link, and all they'll need to do is click the copy button. They won't see the edit, and copy the collection, and that will give them the 2 pages that they can submit for their assignment. So we'll just pretend that they've clicked collection. And what that means now is that they have a copy of these pages, and they can then edit the page. And so they can either just add text into these discussion topics by typing in here, or they can add a file underneath each one, which might be a Word document, and they can upload that, and it's ready to go. Okay, so once they've added all of their discussions, then they can submit this page, which I'll show you now. So here's the submission link. So I've only got one. Actually, for this to work, I'll need to be a student, so I'll show you that. Right, so they're going to submit their collection. And add submission. And they need to find that collection. So here it is here. So they'll just select the assessment for that course. You'll notice that I've put the course number in there, which is a good idea, so that it doesn't get mixed up with anything else. And they can just click Save Changes. And once they've submitted it, provided that you haven't locked the submission, then they can keep editing their page. There are 2 other assessments for this module. One is an essay, and the other is a practical task. Now, students, if they wanted to, could add the marked copy of their essay to this collection. That's entirely up to them, but at least it keeps all of their assessment and learning in one place, which is good for them.